So today I want to demonstrate a short series 3-arm from 3-arm. Its designation would be PSBS R3 L92. The L92 stands for pneumatic brakes that activate with the tool trigger. So when I pull the tool trigger, the arm locks in place, and that helps you with torque reaction. So that's 100 Newton meters of torque that the arm was able to withstand and help the operator not have to absorb all the shock from the torque reaction. As you can see, this arm is very flexible and easy to maneuver. We have a head member that allows us to put the Nutrunner in various positions. So we have a lot of opportunity here to help operators get into the proper position and assist with assembly applications. We also have a home position sensor here that can be wired into the DC control unit so that you effectively know when the arm is back in home position and it's okay for the assembly line to move to the next application.